Imagine a king so determined to enter heaven in his physical form that he defied the natural order, challenged the gods, and ended up suspended between realms. This is the intriguing tale of Trishanku, a monarch whose ambition led him to a unique fate. Greetings, dear viewers. Today, we explore the legend of King Trishanku, a tale of ambition, defiance, and the quest for immortality. King Trishanku, born as Satyavrat, was a ruler of the Ikshvaku dynasty. Despite his noble lineage, he harbored an extraordinary desire to ascend to heaven in his mortal body. This wish was unprecedented, as it defied the natural law that only souls, free from their earthly vessels, could enter the celestial realm. Determined to fulfill his aspiration, Trishanku approached his royal priest, sage Vasistha, seeking assistance to perform a sacrifice that would grant him entry into heaven. Sage Vasistha, adhering to the divine laws, refused, stating that such a feat was against the natural order. Undeterred, Trishanku turned to Vasistha's sons, hoping they might support his cause. They, however, were incensed by his persistence and perceived disrespect towards their father. In their anger, they cursed him to become a Chandala, an outcast, causing his appearance to transform drastically. Exiled and unrecognizable, Trishanku wandered until he crossed paths with sage Vishwamitra. Unlike others, Vishwamitra took pity on the fallen king. Motivated partly by his rivalry with Vasistha, Vishwamitra agreed to help Trishanku achieve his desire. Vishwamitra organized a grand sacrifice and invoked the gods, requesting them to accept Trishanku into heaven in his physical form. The deities, bound by cosmic laws, declined the request. Angered by their refusal, Vishwamitra used his immense yogic powers to elevate Trishanku towards heaven. As Trishanku ascended, he reached the gates of heaven, where Indra, the king of gods, barred his entry, declaring that a mortal in his physical body could not reside in the celestial realm. Indra pushed Trishanku back, causing him to fall towards the earth. Witnessing this, Vishwamitra, in a fit of rage, halted Trishanku's descent, leaving him suspended midair. To honor his promise, Vishwamitra began creating a new heaven, complete with stars and constellations, where Trishanku could reside. However, the gods, realizing the potential imbalance this new creation could cause, intervened. A compromise was reached. Trishanku would remain suspended between heaven and earth, head downwards, in a state of eternal limbo. This realm came to be known as Trishanku's heaven. The legend of Trishanku serves as a timeless reminder of the delicate balance between human ambition and the immutable laws of nature. It teaches us the importance of humility, acceptance, and the recognition of boundaries that should not be crossed. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more such captivating tales. Let us know in the comments what other stories you'd like us to explore. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.